Political research requires collecting and analyzing vast amounts of information from diverse sources. Timely and accurate data is essential for understanding trends, public sentiment, and policy developments. Manually gathering political data from multiple platforms is time-consuming, difficult to scale, and often results in incomplete or outdated information. To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed an automated data acquisition platform that streamlines political research by collecting, organizing, and preparing data for analysis. The platform automatically gathers data from multiple public sources, processes and structures the information, removes inconsistencies, and delivers a centralized dataset for reporting, analytics, and research. Key features include automated data collection, multi-source data integration, data cleaning and standardization, centralized research database, analytics-ready datasets, scalable data pipeline. The solution significantly reduces manual effort, improves data accuracy, accelerates research workflows, and enables analysts to generate deeper insights with greater efficiency.